Hi everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a toggle switch for your websites and apps. A toggle switch works like this. It has an on state and an off state.
Ready to transform your digital presence? You're in the right place. From custom app development to seamless web solutions, we specialize in building innovative tools tailored to your needs. Whether you're a startup, small business, or enterprise, our team turns your ideas into powerful, user-friendly applications. Ready to elevate your online presence? Visit appinventors.com and let's create something amazing together. appinventors.com. Innovate your future.
All right, let's get started. First thing you want to do is create an ellipse here on the drop-down menu on Figma. Then change the width to 24 pixels by 24 pixels. Change it to white. Add an auto layout. And we are going to give it a background fill of gray. Now we're going to change the padding from 10 to 4 pixels. Change the width to fixed width. And then set the width to 64 pixels. And give it a border radius of 100. First thing you want to do is create an ellipse here on the drop-down menu on Figma. Let's rename the frame and call it toggle switch. Let's give it an outline stroke that is a lighter gray color. So now that we have our first toggle switch, let's create a component out of it. Then create a variant out of that component. For the second variant, I'm going to set the auto layout to right alignment. Then, for the second variant, in order to show the on state, I will give it a background of blue. Then we'll change the outline stroke into a lighter blue. Now for the component set, we are going to change the properties to state. Then click on the first toggle switch, and for the name of the state, we're going to call it off. And for the second one, we're going to call it on. Now we will use prototype to link our switches together. Click on the first toggle switch, then click on interactions, and link it to the second one. And on click, change it to the on switch, and from on switch, then change it to the off state. In order to test that it works, we have to add a frame. So go to your assets on the left and add the toggle switch to the frame. Then click on play on the top right and run the toggle switch. And voila, now you've created your toggle switch.